Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well. If this video is helpful for you, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. It's the date 22nd and I will discuss about all about the list. Whatever the remaining things of the list, I will discuss here. So as I write the vowel, in the vowel I stored a list. In the list, I stored the U I O E A. Okay, so I want to short it in the ascending order. I want that these are not arranged in a sequence. I want to be get these are in the sequence. So I want to in the ascending order. So I write like the print dot shorted dot not dot print bracket after this shorted and then bracket in the bracket what in which it's stored the things. I write a vowel and then close the bracket and then the other bracket I have closed. Okay, then I will run. Then it give us this A-E-I-O-U. Now I get this in the ascending order in the shorted way. Okay, but this is only for visual purpose. How I can say this? Because when I write this vowel, what I have, what is stored in it, I get the whatever the same as the sequence, not the in the shorted way. But I want this in the what in the actually what is in the I want the actual in the ascending order. So what I do when I want not for the displaying, I want to be the actually when I write this vowel, I will get the in the ascending order. So I write this vowel dot short and this bracket and then I write after this running and I write the vowel, then I get this A-E-I-O-U in the sequence in the ascending order in the shorted way. It means that I have shorted this in not for the displaying purpose. It's just for the actually. Okay, but in it here when you write the shorted, it's for only displaying purpose, not actually. But if you write like this short, it's for the actually. Okay, so next I will go when I want to if when I want to be in the ascending form, I write like that. But when I want to be in the descending form, what I will do, I will write like that. Print dot short it like same the bracket and the bobble, but in it here in the comma and the reverse. Reverse equals to true. Reverse true. It means that I want to be the reverse form, not the ascending, and the opposite form of the ascending is descending. I want to be the reverse. Okay, and then close the bracket and then and it I will get this in the descending form. A-E-I-O-U and then right I have get is the descending, but it's only for the shorted is only for the displaying purpose, not actually. But now I like this descending order, but I want to be this actually in the ascending order. So I do this vowel dot short and then reverse equals to true. Okay, and then I have run this and then when I write the vowel, I get is this in the descending form. So just I do like this. I hope this video is helpful for you. So please like, share and comment below. Thank you.